Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Making some very good profits in this past week, even though the overall market trend isn't real exuberant, it's nice and steady. We can see how the Dow went from closing here last Friday to closing here this Friday. You can see it's moving sideways, but this is a great benefit for the candlestick investor. As long as the market is moving sideways, the simple scanning techniques of candlestick analysis allows for identifying which stocks and sectors are moving the best, with the added benefit that investors, knowing that there isn't any real hard sell-off in this market, that the bullish charts are going to continue to act bullish. We can see that in the NASDAQ as far as confirming that there's no real selling pressure in this market. The uptrend continues, basically a wave one, wave two, wave three in progress as long as it stays above the T line. The strong sectors this week still look like the biotechs, the internet servers, and the medical supply companies. Last week, Sohu was just about ready to do a breakout, a bobble breakout, which is an extremely high probability pattern. As soon as it opened positive, we were buying. This week, it looks like UPWK, after coming out of this big fry pan bottom, J-hook pattern, this should still have a lot more upside. The biotechs have worked very well. Last week, near a close, I guess this was on Wednesday, this little J-hook pattern, fry pan bottom, classic pattern, put us in a position not knowing that it was going to do this, but this is the benefit of candlestick analysis. It allows us to put ourselves in positions where the probabilities are that it's going to move in this direction, but it also gives you the opportunities that if something's going to move big, you've got extremely good probabilities you're going to be participating in that move. BNTX, because of the China virus still in the limelight. There's another J-hook pattern setting up after your fry pan bottom. Expect a lot more upside. A medical supply company, BLFS, you can see the J-hook pattern setting up. EKSO, same scenario. Notice the nature of the pullback. Inverted hammer, little spinning top, doji, then the J-hook pattern. This basically tells you, or should inform you visually, that the selling is not very compelling, which means once the consolidation is over, your next move to the upside will occur. You can see this in a lot of the big stocks. This is why the confidence in the market can still be seen. Look at our doji hammer Morningstar signal in Amazon. And look what the trajectory was after that signal. A lot of the stocks, like these stocks, Apple, Tesla, NVDA, Netflix, all had moves like this. Then they all had signals like this that have changed the trajectory of the direction of the market. So as long as these big stocks are still moving positive, that means investor confidence is still in this market. That'll be it. As long as the NASDAQ continues to stay in this uptrend, continue to be buying stocks. Just make sure that when you start seeing some profit taking, take some profits. That's what the candlestick signals will tell you. You can always move into another sector that's just starting to move up. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms. Oh, mark your calendar. July 25th will be a full day training on the top ranked signals and patterns. These are the combination of your 12 major signals and your pattern setups. There is about 18 different setups that give you not only high probabilities are going to be in the right direction, but high probabilities that direction is going to be very strong price moves. This is the accumulation of investor sentiment, or the identification of investor sentiment coming into a price move that produces big probabilities of very profitable trades. With that, everybody have a good week. We'll see you in the chat rooms.